Ooh, I'm gonna stay so warm. Aluminum foil is the best. We've been talking about heat, haven't we? Oh, I know what I can do. I can keep my drink cold. I'm just gonna put some aluminum foil around it and it will stay really cold. Yes, that foil is gonna keep my drink so cold. Wait a minute. There's something wrong with this picture. This is foil. Is it really gonna keep my drink cold? Okay, today we're going to talk about thermal conductors and thermal insulators. Our learning target is, I can explain the difference between a thermal conductor and a thermal insulator. So here's our first term, conductor. Say it with me, conductor. It's any material that allows the flow of thermal energy. So like energy can go through it pretty easy. You might have heard like conductor when you're doing like electricity, something like that. Here's the next term, insulator. Say it with me, insulator. Insulator is any material that prevents heat transfer. So metals are good conductors. Gold, copper, aluminum, those are metals, good conductors. They let heat go right through them. Maybe you've put like a spoon in some hot soup and then you took the spoon out and the spoon was super hot and it might have burned your mouth. Right? Or just like it was super hot and you had to like wait till it cooled down a little bit. Metal spoons have that tendency because they're made out of metal, but you've probably never burned yourself on a plastic spoon. Okay? All right, so insulators, liquids and gases are better insulators than solids. So good insulators would be wood, plastic, and air. Today, you're going to look at insulators and how they work. You're going to watch a quick video, and I want you to right here on page 38, explain what materials should be used for cooking pan handles and why, or explain how winter coats work to keep you warm. So after you've looked at conductors and insulators, you've thought about it a little bit, you finished page 38, you're going to do a virtual lab today. I'm going to turn the page here in a notebook. And we're going to start working with the scientific method. And so our learning target for page 39 is I can write a hypothesis, collect data, and form a conclusion. So here's how the scientific method really works. You really have a hypothesis, which is an educated guess. Hypothesis. Say it with me. Hypothesis. Then you develop some kind of question or problem that you want to solve. So the question that we're going to actually try and solve today is which insulation materials will best insulate a house? Okay? You're going to write a hypothesis here. You are going to write a hypothesis. Hypothesis usually starts with the words I think. And then today you're going to write in the material that you think is going to be the best insulation that will best insulate a house. And then it usually tells a reason why. So I think popcorn will best insulate a house because it's mostly made out of metal. No, that's not the right answer, Mrs. Tomlinson. But you need to put your own idea in here. And some things that you'll have to choose from are fiberglass, bricks, feathers, soil, those kind of things. And you're going to be online on a website, and you can test each material for 12 hours. And so you'll go to the lab page and you'll choose fiberglass first. You'll drag and drop fiberglass in there, and then every 2 hours the timer will stop and you'll record the temperature of what it is inside the house. And then you're going to find brick and you're going to drag that in and insulate the house with brick, and then every 2 hours you're going to record the temperature. And then you choose 2 more materials. There are a bunch more, like maybe 5 or 6 to choose from. You choose 2 more materials and you record your data there. And then when you're done, what I want you to do is take all of these numbers and I want you to figure out which insulation materials will best insulate a house. So which one is going to keep it the warmest? And you're going to write your conclusion here. Now a conclusion is the answer to the question. So you need to restate some of the words that you use for the question. You don't have to write in conclusion, because you already labeled it here with conclusion. And guys, let's make sure you're using a highlighter so that you can keep your thoughts streamlined and your material organized. So you're going to do a video today to find out about conductors and insulators, and then you're going to also do a virtual lab. And then when you're done, you're going to take a picture of this page and you're going to submit it via Google form for credit today. Have a great one. You'll love the insulator activity. I thought it was pretty fun. I did it myself. And have a great day.